Electricity flows into the light bulb, ready to work its magic. Inside, a thin wire called a filament awaits. This filament is made of tungsten, known for its high melting point. This allows it to endure extreme heat without melting away. When the electricity reaches the filament, it heats up rapidly, reaching temperatures of over 2,500 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than lava from a volcano. Can you imagine that? As the filament heats, it begins to glow, transforming electrical energy into visible light. This incredible process is called incandescence, and it's been lighting up our world for over a century. But wait, there's more. Traditional incandescent bulbs are just one part of the story. In modern bulbs, like LEDs, light-emitting diodes, the process takes a high-tech twist. Instead of a filament, LEDs use a semiconductor material. When electricity flows through this material, it excites the electrons, causing them to release energy as light. This process is called electroluminescence, and it's not only fascinating but also much more efficient. LEDs use significantly less energy, produce less heat, and last far longer than their incandescent cousins, making them a brilliant innovation in lighting technology. And here's another cool fact. LED lights can produce different colors by using various materials in the semiconductor. This is why you see LEDs glowing in vibrant reds, blues, and greens, along with the classic warm white. Some LEDs even allow you to adjust the color and brightness with the push of a button. The next time you flip a switch or press a remote to light up a room, remember the incredible journey of electricity and the marvels of human ingenuity. It's not just light, it's a dance of energy, technology, and science, working together to illuminate the world around us. Isn't it amazing how something we often take for granted is packed with so much complexity and brilliance?